Suppose an object is moving at a constant speed of 10 meters per second along a straight line path. What does this mean? Constant speed means that the speed of the object at any point in time is constant. So the speed of the object at this point and at this point and at this point as well will be equal to 10 meters per second. There's another thing constant speed tells us. It also implies that the object will cover equal distances in equal intervals of time. Yes, constant speed of 10 meters per second means that the object is covering 10 meters in every second. So if I assume the time to be 0 at A, then in 1 second, the object will travel a distance of 10 meters. In 2 seconds, it will travel 20 meters, and by the third second, it will travel 30 meters, and so on. We will assume the length of the path to be 300 meters. Now here's a simple question for you to answer. Can you tell me the total distance that the object covered from A after 8 seconds? If it covers 10 meters in 1 second and its speed is constant, then in 8 seconds, it will travel 80 meters, right? Yes, that is correct. Similarly, after 20 seconds, the object would have traveled 200 meters. But what exactly are we doing here to get the distance? We are just multiplying the time values by 10 to get the required value of the distances. But what is the number 10 here? It's nothing but a given value of speed. So in short, we are using this formula of speed that we saw in the first video. Here the speed is constant, so its value is always 10 meters per second. If we take the time to the other side, we will get this. So you see that we get some kind of a relation between the distance and the time. If we want to know the distance travelled in any time period, say 22.5 seconds, we just need to plug in the value of time to get the required distance travelled. What if we want to find the time taken to travel a certain amount of distance? Easy, we just write this formula like this. So if we want to find the time taken to travel 170 meters, then we simply plug in the value of distance to get the required answer. We get the answer as 17 seconds. So you see that this simple relation helps us to find the distance covered or the time required in any case. However, this is only because the speed is constant here. It is 10 meters per second throughout. There is one more way to know the distance and time at any point of the journey if the speed is constant. And that is by drawing what's called the distance time graph. We will see that in our next video.